Collegio section.
Hey, yo, welcome. Today we are learning a Marauda sustain bass. It's a special bass that you guys will learn how to pitch up, pitch down, and get it right. I'm gonna give this preset for free in the description below. And if you want this project file, all the basses, then you can get that in my Patreon. Otherwise, let's check out this amazing sustain. Okay, so once again, let's listen to the sustain. Listen to it with the sub. And then listen to it without the pitch bend. All right, so let's get into this. So first, of course, this is a Serum patch. And I'm going to turn the effects off. And then we're going to go into Serum. Listen to it now. And we're going to start from the beginning. So first thing you got to do is get basic shapes and get a sine wave like this. After you get your sine wave, you can just go ahead and put it on FM from B 50%, put the level on 75, put on another basic shapes, +4 octave, 6 voices of unison, detune it 0.23, blends at 75. Both of these randoms are down. The sync knob is at 1.53%. This is pitching it up. Now we have this sound. Before it was just a sub bass. But now we have FM synthesis going on. Make sure this level is turned all the way down. And you're bringing in this high sine wave into the low sine wave. Then we're going to add a filter, normal, MG low 6. Turn up the drive to 87. Put the cutoff on 2054. Turn on the sub. Level all the way up. Go to the effects. Get some tube distorsiones. All the way up. Get you a comb plus filter and a flange. Make sure the cutoff's at 13170. Make sure the resi's at 20. Drive's at 0. Sounds like this. Putting it in the filter, taking out some highs, and then we're adding some width. Mix all the way up, hyper, mix 44% dimension. Cool. Now we got our main sound. We're going to start adding all the post-processing. First post-processing you want to add is a chorus. All the way in the bottom right, 41%. Then a reverb. 59% with an easy 219 decay, short decay. Put it in its space. We're then going to add an amp to distort this whole signal. Oh! This is blowing my eardrums. It's an amp, distortion, dual output, boost, dry wets 100%. Now, we're going to get an EQ. And we're going to start sculpting. Make sure you sculpt with this nice little humpy. Taking out all the highs, so now we're not blowing our ears right now. Sculpting, right? You blow in your ears, stop blowing your ears. Now we're going to bring back the volume. Add the multiband compression, easy setting. And the saturator, a bit warmer preset with a sinoid fold, 8 decibels of gain, and soft clip is on. Dry wets at 61%. This is going to boost it. Nice, very nice. Now, secret sauce. Get your auto pan and get your sauce maker. Get the auto pan at 89%. And we're going to use the hertz setting, not the musical note timing setting. And we're going to put the phase all the way down. Before. After. That's giving us the wobbly that we need. All right, so we can always just save that as a wobbly. Easy for later. Cool. Get the EQ8, and now we're sculpting again. We're taking away all the lows, the bass, the sub, and we're boosting some highs at the 7,000 mark, and then we're taking them out at the super highs. Really just ending our signal flow with the perfect sculpt. We're like artisans at a museum. And then we have to clip it with saturator to make sure it clips at 0, soft clip on, drives at 6% to just boost it up even more. And then we have our final sound. Now, we got to make sure that this is pitching up and down. So in Serum, make sure your pitch bend's at 12 over here, pitch bend and pitch range up. And then you can automate the pitch bend by hitting configure and then just clicking on the pitch bend knob. And then when you automate the pitch bend, it'll sound like this. Perfect. Now to finish it off completely, you got to get the sub bass. Keep in mind the bass, we took out all the subs right here with this EQ. So then you go get your sub, you make sure it's on the same note. This is a D note. Got to make sure your sub is also on a D note right here. The sub I'm using is just a Dripment clean sub, easy operator. I went to the pitch envelope. This is where you can modify the range. I had it on +12 at first, but I didn't like it, so I put it down to +6, which is half of an octave, and then I just pitch bend that. So if you open that, you go to the MIDI envelope, and then I went ahead and did the pitch bend here. So then that pitch bend in the sub matches the one with the bass. It sounds like this. We did it. That's how to make a Marauda sustained bass. If you want this preset, once again, it's in the description. My name is Dripment. I make bass music tutorials. Like, subscribe, hit me up in my Discord if you want to talk. And if you want this full project file with all of these basses and these sounds, it's going to be on my Patreon. Let's get it. Peace out, guys. Real glam Dripment. Still can't believe it's not booger.